Hey, my name is Zachary. I did a couple unboxing videos last week. Now I'm going to demonstrate the Terminator.357 caliber AEA airgun. 57 yards, that's the target down there. And I'm shooting 81.2 Vortex Hatsan pellets. They're the same as the JSB. This is the gun right here. I'm running a Hawke 10 by 50 by 60. It's an ED sidewinder. This is the gun, 57 to 58 yards. And I'm gonna do a shot, 10 shots. Here we go. See what kind of groups we get. That's it. Terminator 357 caliber. Let's go check it out. Oh, let's do it. I think we measured 58 yards. It's 59 yards because this is 57. Okay, nice hole. 357. You can see 1, 2, 3 big old holes. Had 10 shots. There's one hole here. Basically all of them went in right there. It's a big old hole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 58 yards. Put the gun up, and if you'd like to purchase one, just let me know. If you have any questions, feel free to call me. Check out the website, www.aeaairgun.us.com. We have a Facebook page as well, AEA Airgun US. Feel free to check them out. Thank you.